Good morning, this is Andy here at the Mermaid Inn, and today we're going to make you an old-fashioned. The old-fashioned is one of the earliest cocktails that in modern times and contains the basic of ingredients, which is bitters, sugar, liquor and water. And we're going to make this for you, and it's ever so simple. You can do this at home, but here we're going to do it here. We're going to use some sugar. I like using the brown sugar because the unrefined sugar has the best flavours. And I've popped in there 3 lumps of sugar. And then I'm going to take some Angostura bitters and I'm going to put quite a bit in there. And I'm going to soak those lumps of sugar in Angostura bitters. And I'm going to put a twist of orange in as well. And we're going to take our muddler. I'm going to crush up the sugar and squeeze out the juices and oils of that orange. And now it looks like a bit of a paste. You can't see it, but I can. It is at the bottom of the glass and it's a bit of a paste. To that, we add some ice. Here we have some nice cold ice cubes, and we're just going to put about 3/4 of a glass in there, and then we're going to take our rye whiskey. This is a Woodford Rye, because I think the flavours are absolutely fantastic, and some nice spices in there. We're going to put a double measure in. And then we're going to take a bar spoon and we're going to stir in the sugar, the orange, the bitters, the whiskey and the ice. And eventually the ice will melt away to water, diluting the drink down so that we get to the right strength to drink it as a cocktail. To do this properly, you need to stir constantly for several minutes. And as the ice melts, we'll add some more ice to it. And then we'll keep on stirring. This is a fantastic cocktail to make if you're standing or with a guest sitting at the bar, and you can talk away to them whilst they watch you slowly work away the whiskey with the ice and the ice with the whiskey. For several minutes. And as the ice melts, we'll add some more ice to it. And then we'll keep on stirring. This is a fantastic cocktail to make if you're standing or with a guest sitting at the bar, and you can talk away to them whilst they watch. The only trouble is when you're making 20 of them, it takes some time. But the ice will slowly melt, diluting the whiskey down to the right level. Now we're going to put in another measure of the rye whiskey. And stir some more. A little bit more ice. Oh, it's really cold. In fact, it's so cold it doesn't want to come out. And just to make sure, yes, that's ready. We're going to decorate that with a couple of marinated cherries, and these are marinated in rum for a period of 3 months. And then we're going to present it to our guest on a nice mat with some napkins. Enjoy your old-fashioned. Thank you.